Let's see how to assign strings to variables. First, we'll see what is a string. Strings in Python are used to represent Unicode character values. A single character is also considered as a string. We denote or declare the string values inside single quotes as such, or double quotes as such, or triple quotes as such. Let's see an example where we assign string values to the variables. So let's take a variable x is equal to, first we give single quotes and then single character as the string. And now we can find the data type of x. It says string. So we assign the value a as a string to x using the equal to sign here. This is called an assignment statement. Similarly, I can write a name is equal to Bob, and type of name will again give string. Similarly, you can write more than one word separated by space as such. Oops, I misclicked. So full underscore name is equal to let's do triple quotes this time. And I can find the type of full name, let's say string. You can either use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes, however you want. It depends on your choice. The only thing that you have to take care of, that whatever you start with, you have to also end with. So if you start with a single quote, the end of that string should also be a single quote. For example, this variable n is equal to single quote great. You can't end it with double quote. It will give a syntax error. Similarly, m is equal to suppose I give here this great, and now I enter two single quotes. They again give me end of line error. Also in print statements, print I'm writing hi and in quotes Larissa. So if you want a quoted text to be printed, this is how you print. Now suppose you want the want Larissa in double quotes instead, you will write print. Now you'll use the single quotes as your print quotes. So now you have hi and Larissa in double quotes. So you can just alternate whatever you're using, single quotes and double quotes, even in the print statement. That's how you declare a string and assign the value to a variable.